Welcome to my channel, guys. This is going to be a really quick video. Just read for all you chicken lovers, the Popeye chicken sandwich is scheduled to be back on the menu at the end of October, from what I was reading. Also, they're going to be opening up a Popeyes chicken restaurant in Louisiana, and they said that's going to be, the sandwich is going to be on the menu. So if you haven't tried the Popeyes chicken sandwich, it'll be out, coming back at the end of October. And so that ought to be interesting. So the Popeyes chicken sandwiches be back at the end of October, guys. I do have something I want to say. Well, we as people, we tend to follow the trend. You know, when something is hot, something is fresh, something is new, we tend to run behind it in spite of whatever we have to do. Whether it's some type of electronic device we're trying to get, or whether it's some food that people say is really good, and it just start trending and it goes viral, and then, you know, everybody's running. But once again, Popeye's chicken sandwich is coming back October, the end of October. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like, dislike, and peace.